Hey guys, it's Jason with Kentucky Sustainable Living. It's Friday afternoon. I got off work just a little bit early, got everything done on the job site. I'm getting ready to fire the skid loader up. We're going to go take a few cedar trees out and get some stuff prepped. Next weekend, we're having a plant guild. Mike Sparks is coming down from Indiana, and he's going to bring a bunch of plants, and we're going to do a plant guild class for the members. I think we got three more fruit trees, some berry bushes, and all the accompanying stuff to go with it. Garlic, herbs, and daffodils. We're going to plant all that stuff. But I got 2 cedar trees that I want to take out, and then you can kind of see once I get down there. But let's go on down there. All right, we're down here. There's 2 cedar trees, one behind each other. We're going to take those out because what we've got right through here is all our, we got pear trees. Yeah, those are, oh, let me look. I forgot what those are. We got peach trees. We got some peach trees here. And then on the other side of those cedar trees, we've got pear and apple. And then we've got blueberry bushes planted in between. So what I want to do is take those 2 cedar trees out so we can continue and just connect with all that. So then it's just one uniform orchard / food forest area. But I want to go grab the Bobcat. We'll get on it and start knocking some trees down. All right guys, weather's moving in, it looks like, so we're going to have to take these things down quick. The plan is to push them over, cut what log I can get out of it. It's not going to be much log, might be able to use it for a post or something like that. So we're going to topple the tree down, get it down, cut the log section out, and then start hauling the brush back over on one of the brush piles. Here we go. All right, first tree came out without a hitch. The stinking second one broke off about 1.5 feet above the ground. I'm gonna have to dig that stump out. It's gonna take a few minutes. I'll be back with you in a second. All right, guys, it's starting to rain. I got the 2 trees pulled out. Finally dug that one stump out just in time for it to start sprinkling rain. I got crap all in my beard. But we got to accomplish what we wanted to before the rain. It was going to make it a nightmare trying to take those trees out if everything was wet. But we got it. So these trees right going down through here will wind up connecting to the trees that are right down over there. So it's going to keep going around the bend. This stirred up area right here is where we'll plant our guild and everything next Saturday. The 13th is when we're going to do that. Like I said, Mike Sparks with Food Plant Nursery is coming down and bringing the stuff and going to teach our class for us. So I've got done what we wanted to. Also in this video, I've got where we're clearing a garden area and trimming some limbs up and stuff like that. That'll also be in the video. I took those 2 trees that came out. One tree, I'll probably get maybe a 9-foot post out of it. I drug it down to the burn area, and I'm going to limb it up later on. And then the other one forked out, so it wasn't going to be worth much. So I just went ahead and pushed it up on the burn pile. So we'll burn all that stuff. Maybe this weekend, if we get some rain and everything gets wet, to where we can burn some stuff, we'll burn it. But that's kind of an overview. There's one of the pair peach trees. These 3 are peach trees up there. There is the bougie chicken coop that the chickens are loving. And coming on down through there is, let me see. There's one more peach tree, 2 pears, and 2 apples. And they've got blueberries, bushes in between them. And we're gonna go ahead and fill in between those 2 next weekend. Guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Hey guys, it's Jason with Kentucky Sustainable Living. One of the next projects on the list, we're needing more raised bed area. And since I got the bougie chicken coop done, you can see the area that's outlined where it's all pretty much just dirt. That's where we had the ducks and some other chickens for a while. I pulled the netting up, that small coop over there. I want to take part of it and make it a little bit smaller, move it out of the way. But we're probably going to stick some raised beds in this area. I want to come in with the pole saw, limb a bunch of these trees up, take that one, if you can see that one right there, that little one, take it out completely. This cedar tree, I don't know if you can see it. This cedar tree right there, gonna cut it out, limb a few of these trees up, try to get some more sunlight in here. It's not gonna get super great sun all day long or anything, but I think it will probably get enough sun to be fine to put some raised beds in. I mean, hell, who cares? We're gonna try it and see. I wanna grab the pole saw and start cutting. All right, guys, maybe 45 minutes to an hour later, I came in. That cedar tree right there is taken down. We limbed up a whole bunch of stuff. You can see, took down that tree. I'll probably leave the stump high so I don't run over it if I decide to till this with a tractor. Then that way I won't hit the stump. But you can see, we'll do this up. You can kind of see the canopy's opened up some. I hope I will get enough sunlight in here. Who knows? I mean, hell, it's all a roll of the dice anymore. But we'll try it and see what happens with it. I hope I get enough sunlight in here. I hadn't decided if I'm going to do raised beds in this or if I'm going to do just till everything up and just row it. The old chicken coop right there, I'm gonna cut the front part of it off, pick the back part up with a tractor and just move it kind of out of the way. Some of the feral chickens that escape out of the run all the time, they like using it, so I'll probably just tuck it back there. They've been laying eggs in it, so we'll keep that. But that's about all for now on this video. It's getting cleared up, and when I make a decision, we'll shoot a video of either tilling it up or putting in raised beds. Guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.